Welcome to Hugging Face. Ready to dive into the world of AI? Let's begin the sign-up process. First, visit the Hugging Face website. Look for the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Click the Sign Up button. You can register with your email or use existing accounts like Google. Fill in your details. Make sure to choose a strong password for your account. After entering your information, click Create Account. A confirmation email will be sent to you. Check your email and confirm your account. You're now ready to explore Hugging Face. Once confirmed, log into your account. Welcome to your AI playground. Navigate through the features, models, datasets, and community forums await you. Join community discussions to learn from experts and fellow enthusiasts. Experiment with ready-to-use models for your projects. The possibilities are endless. Remember, the Hugging Face community is here to support you every step of the way. Start your AI journey today. Welcome to Hugging Face.